Harlow, what does the bee say?
Peace.
Harlow, what does the horse say? What does the monkey say? What does the kitty say? What does the piggy say? What does the lion say? What does the sheep say? What does the doggy say?
Say baby.
What does the baby say? Baby, baby. What does the froggy say? Ribbit. What does the chicken say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What does the duck say?
Duck.
Quack, quack. You know a lot of animals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What does duck say? Quack, quack. What's that right? Oh, yeah, cows. Say cows. What?
See you later, Harlow. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye, baby.